Ever had your main drive scream for space right when a new game drops? Today, I'll show you exactly how to move your Steam games to another drive without reinstalling anything. And it only takes a few minutes. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer and log in with your regular account credentials. Once you're on the Steam homepage, look toward the top left corner and click Steam in the menu bar. From that drop-down, choose Settings. A new window opens with a list on the left. Click on Storage. This is where Steam keeps track of all the locations where your games can be installed. At the top of that page, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click it and choose Add Drive. Steam will ask you to select a new directory or drive. Pick the drive you want to move your games to. Maybe it's a secondary SSD external drive or just a bigger internal one. Make sure there's enough free space for the games you plan to relocate. Once the new drive is added, it's time to move the games. Head back to your library and find the titles you want to transfer. You can select one game or several at once. With your games highlighted, look for the Move option. Right-click a game and choose Manage, then Move Install Folder, or use the Move button in the Storage section. A confirmation window will pop up showing the available drives. Select the new drive you added earlier, and click Move again. Steam takes it from here. It'll transfer the files directly to the new location without deleting or re-downloading anything. The time it takes depends on how many games you're moving and how large they are. But once the process finishes, your titles will be running from the new drive, and your main storage will have breathing room again. That's all there is to it. No reinstalling, no complicated steps. If you're reorganizing your library, upgrading drives, or just trying to free up space, this method works flawlessly and keeps your saved data intact. If this guide helped you out, stick around for more quick tech fixes and gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra space and maybe a few new games to fill it.